Amy Mahaly with Be Well Clinic. It's National Gardening Week this week. I don't want to talk to you about gardening because I'm amazing at it, because I'm not. I'm just learning. Gardening is something I've wanted to do for years now, and I've tried and I've failed. I really thought that failure meant that I was not a gardener, that I couldn't do it, and that it reflected on me being a failure. That's not something I believe anymore, so this year I had enough courage to try gardening again. I decided to just do a few things and just to start learning. It's been an exciting and disappointing and sometimes year. I've had issues come up. Rabbits have eaten my lettuce and my peas. We've had to do fencing. I'm learning how to water properly, but I'm learning. I'm not afraid to try, and this is huge. So I just want to encourage you. If you want to garden at all, take the opportunity this year, do something, and just start learning.